Welcome back everyone. Today we will take a listen on two top-of-the-line speakers from Magnat. These are both the flagship models from Transpuls and Quantum series. We will compare tower speakers versus boxed ones and see which ones did you prefer. Of course, these are speakers from two very different price points. Transpuls speakers cost about $1,200, but Quantums cost more than $4,000. Let's take a listen. Don't forget to put on your headphones to have a full listening experience. And okay, now I'll be quiet. Well, what did you think? Which ones did you prefer? Don't forget to leave a comment, press like and use that subscribe button if you enjoy these videos. See you in the next one. Good luck everyone.